The latest now on coronavirus cases. Arizona recording the second highest number of cases from the Arizona Department of Health Services in a single day. The state now has more than 22,000 cases. That's up more than 1,000 yesterday. The state also reporting 40 new deaths from the disease, bringing our total to 981. So what do these numbers mean for Arizona? ABC 15 Sonu Wasu and data guru Garrett Archer are looking at the latest numbers and breaking down the reasons for the spike and what needs to be done to reverse the trend.
The significant increase that we've seen is very concerning to me.
3 days now of consistently high numbers of coronavirus cases and deaths reported by the State Department of Health Services. ABC 15 data expert Garrett Archer has been closely analyzing the numbers.
We're sort of in that situation of one record after another, which is not what you want to be in. You don't want to be in a situation where you're setting a record nearly every single day.
There are several reasons for the number of cases trending up. First, the end of stay-at-home orders. Second, people basically ignoring social distancing guidelines, as you see in this video we've captured in crowded restaurants. Third, more testing taking place. And last, in a blog, the state's top public health official, Dr. Kara Christ, writes, the numbers you see on the dashboard will include cases that are presumed positive for COVID-19, also those who tested positive for antibodies. What happens next? ABC 15 analyst and former director of the state's Emergency Management Division, Wendy Smith-Reeves, tells us is up to human behavior.
I think that in 2 to 3 weeks, we are going to see another big spike as a result of the protests.
Models show the number of hospitalized cases in Arizona could hit a peak on June 11th. That's next week. Will Humble with the Arizona Public Health Association says, while concerning, there's no reason to panic yet.
I'm not freaking out yet. Because we still have plenty of hospital capacity. I shouldn't use the word plenty, but adequate.
The data shows the biggest spikes in Arizona are some of the rural outlying counties.
You have Yuma and Santa Cruz counties and Hobby County, some of these other rural counties right now, where they don't have a curve at all. In fact, they just have an upshoot.
Do you attribute that to more testing, possibly?
From what I've heard, that has a lot to do with an increased testing, because before, really a couple weeks ago, Yuma had been really starved for test kits. That has been improving.
If this trend continues, public health experts say what this is going to mean for Arizona is basically a delay in getting to phase 2 of the reopening plan. That allows larger social gatherings and the reopening of bars. What you can do to help is to follow CDC guidelines by social distancing from others and wearing masks. Sonu Wasu, ABC 15, Arizona.